Hey guys, welcome back to the mill. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what we normally do, and it's going to be posted on off day. I should have recorded an intro for this about a month ago and I forgot to. So as you guys have seen in some of our previous videos, Ericka and Solomon came up for a week or so, and probably about a month ago now for us. And there was some exciting news that was announced while they were at home. And this video is going to let y'all experience it the same way we all did. Hang on and you'll get to check it out. While Ericka and Solomon were in town, we actually got everybody together to do family photos, because it's not often we get to have all 4 generations of everybody together. And you guys get to see the behind the scenes of all the chaos that happens hurting the kids and the dogs and the adults. Enjoy, and we'll see you guys at the end of it.
Hey, Jill.
Good boy. No,
Good boy.
Good boy.
Jackie.
Oh, I got shame.
Throw it to him.
Oh, he would chew.
We had a
Hey, what's on? Make sure
Just your phone.
use that one.
back in up. Wait till you get in. They go one We had one family that all the kids always go by 8. They had a set of twins, and they all every time, every picture.
It's just where they end up at, to be fair.
Sounds good.
They're here, they're clean, they're quiet. Hurry up.
Quiet is not
Leroy.
in the adjectives.
You can take a picture with Mama. Get off the van, honey. It's dirty.
Don't cut your throat.
Leroy!
That don't have to be tied.
You have 4.
It's supposed to be tied.
It happens.
It's supposed to be tied, honey.
Yep. Put your hands in your pocket.
Get over your fingers hurt.
From Mike.
That's not a problem.
Put some pipe together today. That's a purple pipe.
So we don't do promos. All right. No, not at all. Everybody's like, you have your
That's a boo-boo.
But constantly.
I can. Is that a request?
Yeah. It feels weird. Okay, buddy.
I hear the ocean.
At least it's not air. Oh, he's getting.
Oh, yeah, it's just going to be
Time for a close-up.
We're gonna sound like cornbread on this. Are we on that thing? Absolutely. You're gonna stand right here. He's my buddy. You'll go home. Oh, can we get you up here too? Is that your spot too?
Everywhere is a spot.
He's like, oh, it's just that good. Okay, you try. There's a reason Talia and I don't see like that. Yeah. Yeah, but don't put your hands all pretty and curly. Okay.
But you gotta hold on to him. You gotta hold on to him.
Oh, my bad.
You gotta give him that weird look and not let him run away.
Yes. Got it. Like y'all like each other.
All day.
Now you posed yourself.
I was looking for my phone here.
Would you quit? Very good. Y'all look at each other. Try to do the same thing, but try to look back at each other.
Oh, Lord.
Or turn into him. Turn into him.
Yeah. Get close. Y'all like each other.
And put
Just
your
steal his
hand up on
gun.
his chest. Yeah.
Every time
That's a whole nother kind of session.
if I have pictures with my husband, I can feel him. They'll go 1, 2, and he goes. And I'm like,
Yeah, we
great.
put it back where it goes.
Yeah.
Temporarily.
Like that. That's fine. 'Cause I'm gonna push my. We'll put you in with the
Play.
other babies.
Yep.
Got it.
Girl in the green shirt, go this way just a little bit. That's you. Yeah. And then girl in the black, go this way just a little bit. I know you're Haley because I have a Haley to represent. Put your hand with me. I got a
Yeah.
Put your hands like this.
Yeah.
All right, everybody look at me.
Henry, how many knives are in your pocket?
Yep. And then kind of turn toward him, put your hand on his chest. Aw. All right, good. One. Oh. I don't think I can see.
Look okay?
Do we look old?
Do we look old?
Old. Yeah.
Okay.
I feel old today.
Look, they set themselves up. That's perfect. How's that?
They've had a lot of practice.
You got them whooping today, right? Perfect. Okay. Wow.
They like to lecture each other.
They parent each other. My
But let's have you.
Leroy, sit.
Just don't put your tongue through.
Michael, he's coming back
Like
to you.
that.
Maybe
Put that in your mouth when you sneeze. Okay.
You don't spread the love.
Sit. Sit. Go for it.
Ah.
I ain't gonna get you both.
Yep.
It ain't gonna work.
Okay, kids, y'all go look at me, okay?
Hey, look
right
up there.
I got them there. Yes.
Yeah. Them there.
Y'all are good, but I need that. We
Kids.
It doesn't
Follow
involve
that.
Tell you.
Y'all listen to her. Them there. Okay.
Here, there. You get 2 dogs from your trouble.
A lot of y'all. Because that's a lot of y'all. There you go. He's good.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, she says in the real picture
We've
you're
grown
closer.
further apart as we've aged.
Are you looking for the picture? Okay. We'll get one. Y'all behave. One.
This is COVID
Can't.
distancing.
This is behaving.
This is behavior. Okay, hold on. No, we can come back to it. At least they're adults. They'll be somewhat cooperative.
Ah, that's a debatable subject. Not the one sitting in the rocking chair.
A lot of crap back here.
Y'all. All right, everybody look at me. Or y'all
Do
do
not rub my head for good luck.
One, two, three.
Oh, Erica, you got a big one hanging on the bottom of the door there.
One more time. 1, 2, 3. Get your friend. Okay.
What in the world was going on back there?
If everybody wants, I'm going to get one of them, and then you'll do everybody kind of from a word.
Yay! I'm so ready for this to be done.
Yeah.
I got a good one of these in the wall. It was so good.
There you go.
Can you like put a foot out though, so it looks like you got feet? There you go. Now sit up straight. Boy, get out.
Jennifer has taken entirely too many pictures with you. She's just done.
And everybody needs to shift.
Take one step forward.
We need to go this way.
This way.
The other way.
Look at that way.
Right or left?
So bring the line up to tell you.
You're fine.
There you go. There you go. Just kind of curl around.
They get closer.
Say, bring it up to you, and I'm like, okay.
Come right here
I
behind
think
me.
Rudy and Taylor have them step out one, and that'll
Ruby and Taylor stepped forward just a touch.
you got to
Ruby's glasses.
Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna make sure.
No one can ever tell Ruby and Taylor's
Doing good.
Yeah.
Bless you.
Post-production, I can say.
Taylor, you need to step out, honey. You're laid up on top.
Taylor, leave her alone. As long as you're in the shot.
Just one hand. One hand. One sass.
You gotta get it
Not
when you
double
click.
sass.
Double size is too much. I
That's why
promise.
I don't do no videos.
She sweats a lot.
Here you want to say.
Leroy says, I come in, I help.
Good boy, Leroy.
Hello, Ed. You look like Ed from Lion King with your tongue hanging out the side. I'm.
Hurry, you got dogs too.
We gotta do the dogs too?
No, I'm saying if you hurry, they're in it.
Y'all better get a leash.
I mean, I have one in the bed.
All right, everybody look at me.
All right.
Tonga, go that way just a little bit.
There.
Now, here's your chance. Everybody look at the camera.
The dogs.
Spread the dogs.
There's your one with the walking my dogs.
What is that? Okay, look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
One,
pictures as much as Michael. No, I mean the dog.
Gotta go.
Y'all really lucked up with some good weather.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, you gotta keep it standing.
It's so.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera. Last shot, okay? Hold on.
Jeez.
Y'all are a little too far away from me. Okay. On the count of 3. 1.
Vader.
Come on, Vader. Come on, Vader. Come on, Vader.
Stand. You don't have to
Stand.
move.
Okay.
Look at the camera now.
Sit.
Camera.
All right.
Ericka and Solomon here.
2, 3. Caitlin's pregnant! Everybody say Caitlin's pregnant!
Thanks. I was like, I didn't see. There you go.
Don't hand it to Haley.
Oh,
Hey,
God
no,
bless
it's not
her.
stickers,
that's
baby.
not stickers, baby.
Oh, is that twins? No, that's one.
Are you sure?
Oh, when, Caitlin? When you do, baby? October 29th. That's what
Of course you're having a Halloween baby.
Of course you have. I've been
Don't show-
at all
don't show Mama.
dinners and everything.
So is his name Jack or Sally?
Oh,
I mean,
cheese.
For Christmas.
Crash.
And she's having a Halloween baby. I told her she better have that baby early. Don't have no Halloween baby.
Congrats, Morty.
Good.
Y'all, that sucked the life out of me.
Well,
What? Knowing the whole time. Oh. And y'all are like, why do you
I
keep
understand.
everybody?
Yeah, I was like, because. Oh, I love it. It's a secret.
I'm here.
Not anymore. Not anymore. So,
Y'all, she called me on the way over here and told me. I was like, we gotta do
I was like, take your time.
We got you, girl, but woo!
I was like, it was wonderful.
Now you feel better.
Yes, now I do.
You're like,
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.